Okay, dear students, welcome to the lesson about the fundamental probability, part 1 from 2 parts in general. And our aims for this lesson is understand the following terms. What is a random and impossible event? How do you understand these terms? You can explain or just translate. Random and impossible event. First, let's translate general, then we can do some summarizing.
Random.
Anyone? Yes, random is something, yes, it's
it may happen in any time.
In any time, or may not. Yes, it may or may not. Good. And impossible?
Невозможно событие.
For example, if you talk about any experiment, for example, let's take a coin. Yes, a coin. We know it has two sides. One is named head and tail. So, can you say the impossible event, for example, for this coin?
50.
No.
2 times tail and 1.
No, it's possible.
Ah,
For impossible, it's, for example,
10 times tail.
if I will throw the coin, it will be not head and not tail. Is it possible?
No, yeah.
No, yes? Sometimes it can be like this. It's really hard, yes. It's impossible to be neither of them. So it's called the impossible event. And frequency? Частота. It means our guys, it's aim. It's just aim to understand the lesson. Okay. Find the probability of event and key terms which we'll use for these lessons. Experiment. Easy one is experiment in Kazakh language, in Russian language, the same, also experiment. Okay, outcome.
The result of
The result.
experiment.
Okay, sample space.
Сосуд для выбора, например, человека.
Okay, for example, let's take our class. Yes, we are a sample space. Yes, because we are in the class, it's like a space, and we all are sample of them. And event, yes, it's something what we need to find out. Okay, an experiment is activity or process which has observable results. It's an official definition of outcome with the experiment and rolling dice. Look, guys, the rolling dice, it means that through the dicing, this is an experiment. This is what we do. Yes, this is a process. And the possible result of experiment and the outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say, if you talk about one dice. Yes, it's impossible to be less than or more than or half something. The outcomes exactly these 6 numbers. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, because it's only one dice. And for example, the event, if you're talking about what is the probability of getting only odd numbers. Yes, this is the event. So look, experiment, it's what we need to do, it's what we are doing. Outcomes, it's everything, all possible values. Sample space, it's which we are taking it, yes, what is it we use. And the event is the question, yes, for example. If I will say about us, I will, for example, we are sample space. We are now just 6 students and 1 teacher. It means we have only 7, yes, only 7 people in there. And what is the probability that, for example, what is the event that here the human man, which name doesn't consist any A letter. Нету буквы А в имени. Какова вероятность или сколько нас таких? Да, то есть this is an event. Special question. special condition. It's event. Okay. 1, 2, 3, simple event, 4. Okay, definition of probability of event, it's a number of, yes, possible in the number of general, as we said before, the number of outcomes in event E over the number of outcomes in sample space. As I said before, yes, for example, we have Nurbek and Nurken, yes, and other, including me, have that other guys has the letter A in their names. So the probability, because of, look, let me do that. We have right now coin toss probability. We know, yes, the coin toss. Head and tail, орел, решка. If I, for example, let's play a game. Let's play a game together. Please stand up. Stand up. Let's play a game. The last one will get extra 10 points. Extra 10 points for that. Let's do like this. If you think it will be head, please stay. If you think it's tail, please sit down. So choose by your, look guys, this is one is head, this one is tail, okay? 100 tenge is head and national sign is tail. If you think it will be right now head, please stay, but if you think it will be tail, please sit down. And the last one will be a winner, okay? Okay, it's head. Who say head? You 3 yes, and you say the tail. So you can go there. 3 of you. Okay, we'll continue only with these 3 students. Unfortunately, you're loose. Also, if you think it's head, stay, but if it's tail, sit down. Choose by your own. Okay, Yermuhamed thinks it will be tail, and you two think it will be head. It's tail. So the Yermuhamed is the winner. Congratulations, you get an extra 10 points. Thank you. So guys, this is called the probability of event. Look, yes, it's a chance. He choose. We don't know exactly how it can be, but yes, we can use our math just to solve these type of problems. Okay, sometimes it's possible, really, yes, to find out the good result. But as you said here, if you see here, it's only 50-50, right? Mm-hmm. All event gets 50-50 chance. So a coin tossed 3 times. Really good questions. Now it's really a little hard. What is the probability of getting only 1 head? A coin is tossed 3 times. Do you know? Okay, please come here. A coin is tossed 3 times. What is the probability of getting only 1 head? Do you agree with their hand or not? Yes or no? Only 1 head. Only 1 head. Yes, there also. And Where is THT? Yes. So can you calculate it? Approximately 3 of 8. It's approximately 37.5. Yes. Yes, yes. 5. So it approximately 37.5%. Okay, sit down please. Now look guys. At hand use a very primitive and simple way for solution this problem. Yes, it's really good solution. Why? Because they say only 3 times. So it's really easy to open the problem. So what he did, he write the all possible variants when we're throwing the coin. Head. Is it possible? Yes, head. It's also this. It's one of the possible solutions. Head, tail. Head, tail, tail, head, tail, double tail and head, and all 3 only tails, no heads. So we have there how many possible outcomes in general? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 possible. And guys, but if it will be not 3 times, for example, 103 times, what you need to do? It's really difficult for us to write in this way. So the easiest one, yes, the easiest one is the coin. Just a coin. How many possible solutions has this coin? How many possible outcomes? Only for 1 coin.
1 point.
2. What is it? Head and tail. There is nothing. There is no extra answers. So as we know, coin has only 2 variants, head and tail. But how many times we need through that? 3. It's just easy to write 2 in power of 3. It means 8. So we have 8 variants there. Because only 2 outcomes and 3 times 3. If it will be 20 times or 35 times, you need to do just 2 in the power of 20 or 2 in the power of 35. It's up to problem. Okay, and now we need only what? Only 1 head, right? And it's 3 times, so it means there are 3 possible positions for only 1 head. In the beginning, yes? Look, in the beginning, then in the middle, and in the end. So, if your problem, for example, will be not 3 times, if it will be, for example, 10 times, let's take 10 times. So, and only 1 head also. What will be our solution? Don't use this method. Just calculate. So, what is the possible total outcomes for this problem? General. Who can say? 2 in the power of what?
10.
10. 2 in the power of 10, it's general. And how many positions we have? Only 1 head. How many times it's through? 10 times. So it's possible to be in how many positions?
10 positions.
In 10 positions. So the answer will be 10 over 2 in the... Okay, примерно, значит, only 1%. Only 1%. Yes, it's close to impossible. Okay, thank you very much for lesson coming. I hope it was really interesting for you and also useful. Goodbye, see you next time.